Hi viewers, in this video I am going to explain how to copy the visible cells from one sheet to another. Here I have some data in the columns of A, B and C. So I have data from A1 to C11. Before starting the process, here I am hiding 5th and 6th row of data. Right click, click on hide. Now I am selecting the data from A1 to C11. Next copied the data. Here I am pasting the data. Here we can find application pasted all the rows, even those rows are in hidden mode. Here my requirement is I want to copy only visible cells. So to accomplish this task, first I am selecting the required range. Under the home tab we can find editing group. In that group we can see find and select option. Click on drop down. So there we can find go to special. Here I am choosing that option. In that go to special dialog box we can find visible cells only. Here I chose that option. Click on OK. Now application selected, only visible rows. Next I am copying the data. Here we can find application copied only visible rows. Here I am pasting the output. There we can find application copied only visible content. It is excluded the rows which are in hidden mode. Now let us see how to accomplish this same process by using VBA Macros. Click on Developer tab. Click on Visual Basic. Here I am inserting a module. So this is my subprocessor name, copy visible cells. As part of this process, first I declared a variable dim_sh as worksheet. It is an object variable. Set sh equivalent to active sheet. Active sheet means currently I am in sheet 2. Thereafter I am going to copy the visible cells. Hence here I am mentioning the range sh dot range of A1 to C11. I have data up to A1 to C11. From that range I want to copy only visible cells. For that purpose here I am using SpecialCells method of range object. SpecialCells of, here we can find different options: blanks, comments, constants, last cell, formulas. From the available options, here I am selecting Excel cell type visible. Through this method, I am instructing the application to copy only visible cells from the defined range. Dot copy. So syntax for copy is user has to mention the destination. My destination is L1 in sheet 5. So press F8 to start the debugging. Here we can find application copied only visible cells. After 2014 we can find 2017. Click on unhide. Now we can find entire data. So by using special cells method, we can copy only visible cells from one sheet to another sheet. If you like this content, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.